channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a fluffy flower out of color papers. So let's get started. For this we need green color paper and pink color paper. We need glue stick, scissors, tape, ruler and we need pencil. Now first take your pink paper and now turn it like this. Now fold it like this equally. Fold it like this equally. And now take a ruler and now mark a line at the top of it. Now after you mark a line, now take your scissors and now cut thin lines like this. Now cut thin lines like this all the way. Like this. Okay guys, I'll see you guys after cutting all of it. Now after you cut like this strips all over the paper, now open it like this. Now turn it backside like this. Now attach glue here and now attach it like this. Take a glue stick and attach glue at the top of it. And now attach the bottom side to the top. Like this. Now make the second one in the same way. Now put this aside. And now let's start making a stem. Fold your paper into half like this. And now cut it. Now only we need one side of it. Now take and roll it. Into a stem like this. Now take a glue stick and now attach glue at the end of it. Here you go. You got a stem. Now take your papers. Take your paper and attach some tape at the top of it. Attach some at the first end like this, and now attach the tape like this to the stem and roll it. Like this, you will start to get fluffy flower like this. Now put it aside. Now take a little tape and now cut it. Take tape and attach it at the end of it. Like this. Now take your another sheet of paper like this. Now attach tape at the end of it. Attach it at the bottom and now start rolling in the same way. Attach tape at the end of it. Here you go. You got a beautiful flower. Now you can, if you want to cut the stem, you can cut it in the length you like. Here you go guys. This is how you make a beautiful pink flower, fluffy flower. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Bye bye. I'll see you guys in my next video.